Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how you can change icons of an application in iOS 16. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is go ahead to your Google and search for iOS icons. Go ahead and search for iOS icons, and what you're going to do is to search for a couple of icons that we are going to use to replace with the icons on our applications. So I'm just going to use this one, save it. Now it's saved in my gallery, and I'm going to uh, switch it with the main music icon. Just going to check if it's downloaded. Here it is. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead to your shortcuts. Click on add on the top right corner of your screen. Click on add action. Click add action, then click on open app, and we're going to find that icon. We're going to find the application music. There we go. And the next thing we want to do is to click on add to home screen. And as you can see, it's here, but we want to change the icon. So we're going to go back and we're going to click on add to home screen again. And now we're going to click on the icon, and now we're going to click choose photo, and we're going to click on the icon photo that we downloaded and click add. And as you can see, here it is. We've changed the icon, and that's how you do it, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section. Be sure to like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.